Hello, today we will guide you through how to use CoinMarketCap categories to find trends. In this walkthrough, we'll use one of the simplest ways to get a quick sense of what parts of the crypto market are getting attention. CoinMarketCap has a categories section that groups projects by theme, and reviewing those groups can help you spot broader market trends more efficiently than scanning coins one by one. To begin, open your web browser and go to CoinMarketCap. Once the homepage loads, give yourself a moment to get familiar with the main navigation at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find the menu options that help organize the site's market data and research tools. Next, move your cursor to the cryptocurrency option at the top part of the screen. Hovering over it will reveal additional choices in a drop-down menu. This menu is useful because it gives you access to different ways of viewing the market, and one of the most helpful options for trend discovery is categories. From that drop-down, click on Categories. This will take you to the Categories page, where cryptocurrencies are organized into themed groups. These might include sectors, narratives, technologies, or use cases that are currently being tracked by the market. Viewing assets this way makes it easier to understand what areas are gaining momentum instead of only focusing on individual price movements. Once you're on the Categories page, start exploring. Look through the available categories and pay attention to the groups that appear active or highly visible. This page can help you identify patterns in investor interest, especially when certain themes begin showing stronger performance or increased attention across multiple related projects. As you review the list, it helps to compare categories rather than looking at just one in isolation. The real value here is in observing where activity seems to be clustering. If several projects in the same category are drawing interest, that can sometimes point to a developing trend in the market. Take your time and use the categories section as a discovery tool. It's a practical starting point for research and can help you narrow your focus before diving deeper into individual coins or tokens. Keep in mind that categories are best used for spotting themes, not making decisions on their own, so they work well as part of a broader research process. That's it. You now know how to use CoinMarketCap categories to find trends and get a clearer view of what parts of the crypto market may be gaining traction.